Today, we will explain an electronic trade program. This program is used in commercial stores, pharmacies, or supermarkets. It is free and supports multiple languages. Visit this website here. You will find a detailed explanation of the program on this page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will find a link to download the program. After downloading and running the program, this interface will open. Choose the desired language, then click on Run. The system admin's name is Ahmed and the password is 123. Then click on Login to open this interface. Here is the settings menu, which is only visible to the system administrator. Here you can change the program folder location and the database name. You can also choose a different location for the database. It can be on the same device or a shared device, or on a main server. By clicking here on the account type, different account types will appear. You can modify the name but cannot add or delete. Similarly, transactions can be modified but not added or deleted. By clicking on Store, you can add, modify, or delete stores. By clicking on Tax, different types of taxes will appear. You can modify the name, tax percentage, or insurance. For example, there's VAT for purchases and sales. And there's income tax and insurance. By clicking on Unit, you can edit, add, or delete units. By clicking on Users, employees' data will be displayed. To add an employee, click Add. To view employee data, click View. Here are the permissions: System Administrator, Data Entry, Accounts, or Final Accounts. By clicking on Management Level, the 3 job levels will appear. By clicking on Jobs, you can edit, add, or delete jobs. By clicking on Departments, you can edit, add, or delete departments. By clicking on Journal, you will find the purchasing interface and sales, expenses, wages, and rent. And leasing for leasing assets to others. Here is the bills interface for electricity, gas, and water bills. And here for loans, their interests, payments of loans, and interests. And here to review and settle due taxes, whether from purchases, sales, or wages. Here, you can view tax balances at any time. And here to view insurances. By clicking here on Accounts then Items, it will display all items, and to add an item, click Add. This window will open to input items data. You can add an image or barcode for the item. To view details of any item, click the View button. Details will be displayed including available quantity, last purchase cost, and selling price, which can be modified or changed. Here, you can change prices for multiple items, whether for a specific amount or increasing the price by a certain amount or percentage. You can filter to apply changes to specific items. For example, here you can filter by account type and category. This allows you to change prices for these specific items only. By clicking on Cash, you can view all cash transactions. And Store to view all inventory movements and balances. Here, to view vendors, clients, and capital. By clicking on Categories, you can edit, add, or delete item categories. Here, to edit, add, or delete banks. By clicking on Income Statement, you can view the company's profits and losses. And by clicking on Balance, you can view the company's financial position or status. Here, the program has been briefly explained. We will continue with detailed explanations later. For all accounting operations in upcoming videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe.